Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to input a video. So for example, we're going to go to Rare Vision. Alright, so the screen will be in a different position. As you can see, this is my original camera. So we're going to, my leg that way. We're going to play. And for right now, we're going to get rid of this. Click on input video. Now here's my latest video. I got rid of everything else. Can't get rid of it from here. Alright, so we're going to play this video. And I'll catch you when I get done. So right now, you should be good. I got the video done. And now, show you a brief movie of the video.
Tropical conditions storm watch for Okinawa. I repeat, this is the 18th Wing Command Post. As of 1500 local, the 18th Wing Commander has declared tropical conditions storm watch for Okinawa.
That's it. Catch you guys later.